So my name's Latoya. I'm from Palmy. I decided to join the trades training program just to give something different a go. I like outdoors more, like sports and all that, and like hands-on stuff, so I've done a bit of like woodwork and all that through school. So the trades training program here at UCOL has helped me have like more of a feel for the building industry. Our tutor we had, he was real cool, easy to learn from. Like, he would come and show us instead of just talking about it. Like, he would talk and show us. My first day coming to UCOL for the building course, I was just real nervous because all I saw was just guys. And then I knew it was male-dominated industry. And then I saw this other woman, so I was like, oh, that's cool. There's two of us. So doing the course and having her there as well helped. My mum would probably have a huge impact on my life, real supportive and pushed me to try different things. And then support from the other women on my course, our classmates, they were just all supportive too.